Question 1. Would you rather have a magic remote control that can rewind or fast forward your life, but only 3 times, or a pair of shoes that let you walk on clouds, but only during sunrise? Question 2. Would you rather possess a talking plant that gives life advice but only speaks in rhymes, or a pair of glasses that reveal hidden messages in the stars but only when worn at midnight? Question 3. Would you rather own a pocket-sized dragon that can warm your coffee but only if you tell it a joke, or a pen that can draw doorways to alternate dimensions but you can't control where they lead?